Hello dear children, welcome back to English classes. Today we're going to start off with a new poem, Don't Be Afraid of the Dark. This poem is written by Ruskin Bond. So let us start reading. Don't be afraid of the dark by Ruskin Bond. Don't be afraid of the dark. Little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. So I want you to read this poem again and again until you by heart it. Now let's go to new words. Afraid, dark, rest, harsh, forever, troubles, cease. Now, what is the meaning of afraid? Lao. The second one, dark, Tim. Rest, Hadam. Harsh, Nunrong. Mo. Swal. Harsh will be swal also. And then forever will be Tatuanin. Troubles. Boy na te. Cease. Top. Cease means top. So what does this poem mean? Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. No pangte zanhi lausu, it says. Alright. The earth must rest when the day is done. Tuna zot swan zana o mangay lom. Atzol hadam vengay ni. The sun must be harsh. Ni tu hey ani sat hena shiom chin tro zan swan silutukha. Ni te min kan chung aswa lang atini. But moonlight ka ero chu anilaw. Ahadam ani. Zana ni avasave intim. No, right? It's very cool. And those stars will be shining. Chuan arsite kavana kan satuanen an eng chin. Then be friends with the night. Zan nen hian chian chan ru eng malaw turom no. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. Inga ituanate iswang tuanate ka ichiante mun dinram tinami ka akan kal quality ro han fangkwal ro atini mo ichiante nga ituaro tinanitsu. By day it seems that our trouble won't cease. Tuna chuan kan ending soyang kan buai na te hian hey top chin nei lo eng tik lai pon kan buai renga. But late at night, the world is at peace. Ma se zana chuan hadam takin kan mua engkim area muthuna chuanin kan thovenga kan thamuang big emani mo hadam hun atini chu. So I hope you understand the poem, and then I want you to read it and record it and send it to my WhatsApp number before the due date. Thank you children. Bye. Have a nice day.